first video, magagawa kami ng fake order.
This is my second video, guys, so don't rush me.
Okay. So,
It's hard to make a video, you know.
So, yan na namin, guys, ang order ng best friend namin.
Hari mo.
So, tara. Magsasala nyo, guys. Papel akin, tapos sa kanya karton. So, huwag kayo mag-alala kung, simple, may laman yung akin, may laman din sa kanya. Pero kung wala yung sa kanya, wala din akin. So, huwag kayo mag-alala. Doon isa lang kami, guys.
So, like and subscribe. Lama ko na dyan.
So, wait lang, guys, kasi...
Ginawipe ko na.
So,
Kasi guys, kung like lang ako, na-subscribe. Ang fan.
Gusto mo, pati gumumpuno, wala giga.
Wala,
Walang pang sampul boss ko.
Cha-cha. Siya nang layo. Ayaw mo tanga, kita.
Pang sa bag ko.
Susugo pa sa guys. So, kayo mag-alala. Basig na guys. Tignan siya yung siguro. So, may lapit ako.
Gadya mo na kita nisa.
So, tara guys. So, first naman papakita ay, sa akin ay, pencil. Tingnan natin.
And second pen.
Dalawang pensa guys.
One Kuromi and one regular pen. That's all.
One Cinemarol and one Nodrapian.
Regular pen.
Regular pen.
And second
is this a color. Tatlo lang kami guys. So, wait lang. So,
Because
this is a brown, this is a red, this is a yellow.
so I got guys green, orange, green, and purple.
Yes, correct.
And I'll take some pencil sharpener and eraser. She don't have an eraser, guys. You only
Kasi
have...
hindi gusto na mag-order sa amin. Same lang sa amin nag-order guys, isa lang.
Lain-lain lang guys ang tao.
Isa nga lang eh. Yan ah. So next is a sing-sing
Ring.
ring. Dot ko taogon is ring. Sorry! So dalawang ring.
Two ring.
Tapos isang ano to?
Button.
Ano ba to? Keychain!
Oh, keychain.
Keychain!
Keychain.
Tapos di mawawala ang sige, awayan kami guys. Isa sa akin is ang heart. But syempre meron din tayong gunting.
Me too.
And syempre hindi mawawala ang
Ruler.
roller.
Mine is no. She don't order me a ruler, so I don't judge her.
So, three
At least she ordered me.
stickers. And sorry guys kung lahat talaga makikita nyo ay kamay namin.
So, two sticker, one sticker, one big sticker, and
6 pieces and photo card na labubu.
one, three, little,
3 photo card and black Winnie.
ano mo nakapilong? Okay ka lang.
Yes.
Ah, two bigs. I got one.
5 pieces and
Me too.
ano nga to, Day?
Ha?
Ano nga to? ML. O, diba malipati na ako, guys?
3 photo cards na MM.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pa-clip namin. Ay.
Yun na, hindi naman wala, guys. Basta may clips. Ari ako. So cute.
So, pampi sa kanya, guys. So, sa akin, hindi pampi. Is bolak siya. Ito yung nag-uuso na yung trend sa TikTok.
Balmix mama.
So, ang marami yan, guys. Fake order lang to, ha? Dito totoo.
Don't judge
Don't
us.
judge kung di
Ah.
totoo.
Kung pangit ang gawa namin, just
Okay lang yan.
please guys, just like and subscribe down below.
Yes. I-subscribe
Okay,
mo na
see,
ang
I got-
Chris Urbano.
And Jamil Penisu. This is our photo cards, guys.
So, tapos na ako, guys. So, sa kanya hindi pa.
She order me 4 beanie cards and 5 photo cards na ML.
May pattern siya, guys. Sorry ka, guys.
Oh, yo, man to kasi mo. Hindi ko. And also Labubu, we can't miss that. You know, guys, it's 2025 now, so she ordered me 3 photo cards na Labubu.
So, kasi wala na akong magagawa. Is makakit lang kami sa inyo. Sa inyo. Una araw. Ay, sorry.
Okay, that's what he ordered to us. Ay, wait lang, clip.
Ito niya, guys. Nagkasulod.
This is all.
Ito,
and-
guys. May storya kami sa inyo. Sa part 3. Goodbye!
Bye!